Lisbon, 2007. Two friends roll a homemade rig into a cold warehouse. First baseline drops, lights flicker, and a small crowd freezes. That moment shook the city, and the echo still rolls today. This is Mystic Fyah. Tito and Dubio weren't chasing fame, they were building a movement. Two visionaries turning plywood, wires, and heart into vibration. No sponsors, no stage lights, just passion and pure bass. They didn't want clubs. They wanted communion. They tuned their speakers like monks tune prayers, searching for the frequency that unites people. Night after night, they carried boxes heavier than themselves, spreading reggae's truth and dub's science across Lisbon's underground. Portugal wasn't a sound system country. Promoters hesitated, venues complained, police showed up, but Mystic Fyah never stopped. Through rain, stress, and broken vans, they kept stacking scoops and shaking walls. 18 years later, that same heartbeat still moves the capital. Their mission was clear: bridge generations. Old school roots meet modern steppas. Tradition meets innovation. In one session, King Tubby's ghost echoes beside futuristic bass lines. The message stays righteous, but the sound evolves. That's how Mystic Fyah earned its name: fire that burns steady, creative, eternal. Then came the shift, the Mystic Fyah live dub band. Not just selectors now, but musicians sculpting energy in real time. Drums breathing, horns rising, effects swirling through space. A first for Portugal, a revolution for the scene. A call for peace, Palestine, show some love, and burning the dance hall with Freddie locks proved consciousness still rules. And when a drum and bass remix dropped, purists blinked. But Mystic Fyah smiled. Dub had just evolved again. Every Freedom Day, April 25th, Village Underground trembles under their rig. Lights fade, crowd sways, and the city breathes as one. This isn't entertainment, it's heritage in motion. Tito and Dubio built more than a sound. They built infrastructure, a cultural backbone for Portuguese dub. From dubweed roots to today's steppas youth, Mystic Fyah kept the chain unbroken. They turned Lisbon into a node of the global dub network, linking artists from the UK to France, from Caracas to Athens. 18 years strong, Mystic Fyah's story isn't just about music, it's about faith in frequency. Proof that one drop of sound can unite people beyond borders and struggle. If two friends could build all this from a spark, what could you build from yours? Comment your favorite Mystic Fyah moment and tag someone who needs to feel this. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.